Hey guys, today I'll try to share my Spotify Wrapped on your Instagram story. So if you guys are wondering how to share your own Spotify Wrapped 2023 over on your Instagram story, well, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do that, step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so this is gonna be pretty easy, because what we need to do first is to actually go ahead and launch the Spotify application from the get-go. You're gonna see the Spiderfair wrapped over here. If you can see it right here, you will have a tab right here on the top corner as well. So in this case, if you want to go ahead and post this onto your stories, just go ahead and tap on this option on your stories. Or you can actually go and just tap any other Spiderfair wrapped right here. In this case, I'm gonna go ahead and tap on your stories over here, and let's see what that is gonna show us. Alright, so once you're already on your Spotify Wrapped stories, you can actually see each and every one of your Spotify Wrapped depending on the category. But if you want to go in and share this onto your story, it's gonna be pretty easy. All we need to do is to go through all of these until we see the option to share it. So it's gonna be located right here. As you see, the first slide is gonna be right here, and we also gonna have the option to share this onto every story right here. So we could also choose another slide if you prefer to, but the best slide to actually post onto your story is the whole app. And that's gonna be like this. On the last slide, you can actually choose a color of your preferred slide. And in this case, I'm gonna choose maybe this black one. Tap on share, and then go on over onto the different applications until you see the Instagram logo with the stories option. Now, I want you to tap on this, and that's gonna take you to Instagram, allowing you to post it onto your story. Is that easy, guys? Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.